Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys where you can find the top with the dirt toggle on Dress to Impress. It is perfect for scary themes because you can change the color of the pattern. So you're actually just going to go to the male section here, and then you are going to select this top. Then as you can see, it's a plain top, but if you toggle it to dirty, it changes the top completely. You can color it red for blood, or you can actually just color it brown for what it's meant to be, dirt. But it's better for scary themes in my opinion, but obviously you can use it for whatever you'd like to. Do not forget to accessorize. Where is it? Okay. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.